How to use the Boss laser cutter. Turn on the dust extractor. Turn on chiller switch. Turn on the laser cutter by turning the key and make sure all indicator switches are on before proceeding to the next step. Load the desired material into the machine. Make sure that your material is lined up to the top back edge of the laser cutting base but is not touching the sides. Using the arrows on the laser cutter's keypad, move the laser head to the center of the machine to begin autofocusing. Hit ZU for the menu. Scroll down to autofocus. Hit enter. The laser cutter is now autofocusing. Use the menu arrows to put the laser in the top right corner. Crouch down and make sure the red dot is 1/4 inch from the top right edge. Close the machine. Turn on the computer. The password for the laser cut computer is Ryerson. Open the Rhino 3D file. The template can be found on the Ryerson DAS website, from the laser computers in the shop, or our link tree, which can be found in our Instagram bio at Ryerson DAS Labs. Ensure your lines are on the appropriate layer. Cut, etch, and raster. To do this, simply match properties or select the appropriate lines and move them to the correct layer in the Properties menu. By doing this, you will ensure all settings are attributed to your line work without having to complete this step yourself. If you are hatching, do not hatch all areas with a solid fill. Instead, make sure to have closed regions, for example, closed polylines, for where you want to hatch. The laser software will compensate for the fill. Set the line type to continuous. The RGB value should be set to the following: red 25500, blue 00255, and black 000. The print width is set to hairline, and make sure to confirm that all line work is within the inside border of the template box. Now export the desired sheet to DFX. To do this, select all line work, go to File, then Export Selected, change file type to DXF, and save to desired location. Open Lightburn Laser software. Import your DXF file into Lightburn. Go to File, Open, or Open button on top toolbar. Ensure user origin is set. This will show up on a screen as a small green square in the top right of your geometry. This will orient your geometry to the machine origin, which was set prior to opening the file. Attribute laser settings to your line work. Switch to Library menu, which is located at the bottom right of the window. Select the desired layer and toggle through material settings to find the setting that correlates to the machine you wish to process. Blue is etch, red is cut, and black is raster. Select the appropriate material and process and select Assign to Layer. Go back to Laser menu that's located at the bottom right. Press Start. Be attentive during this process. Only you know if it's working correctly, and make sure to not look directly at the laser. Wait for a beep to know your cut is done. Wait 30 seconds before opening the machine due to fumes. Make sure it's cut perfectly before taking it out. You can tape the pieces together before taking them out to stay organized. This is a good time to number and name your pieces. Before you go, make sure to clean your workspace and pick up any leftover debris. Turn off all machines if it's the end of the day and close the machine.